Hey there, and welcome to Google Classroom and Forms with Mike. Today, what we're going to do, based on the title of this video, is we are going to create a Google form that we're going to make a quiz and put it into Google Classroom for students to take. So, what you need to do first is go to drive.google.com, click on the New button, go down to More, and create form. Okay, and so from here, we're just going to give it a title. There are some templates for Google Forms that you can use. I like making my own only because sometimes they're a little bit different from each other. And instead of deleting what's already there, I can just type in my own stuff. So first, I give it a name. We'll call it Quiz 1. I'll make sure that it's going to be labeled Quiz 1. And now I want to make it a quiz. So the gear next to the send button gives you the settings options, and you can see general, presentation, and quizzes. We'll select quizzes, and we'll make this form a quiz. When I do that, it will automatically collect email, and it'll allow me to assign points, and will also allow me to auto grade the quiz. So I don't even have to look at it if I don't want to. Next, we can, on Chromebooks organized by your school district, you can turn on locked mode, which doesn't allow students to move off of the tab that the quiz is on, which is great to hold back cheating. And is also great so they don't navigate away from the quiz and hop onto YouTube and go down a rabbit hole, and then all of a sudden their quiz time is done. So if you have a school district that manages Chromebooks, you can select this option. And then we're going to immediately release grades. So this will be a multiple choice test. If you had a test or quiz, rather, that needed some viewing of the quiz to determine point value. So if you wanted to give them partial credit for an answer, you can do later after manual review. And this will turn on email collection so we can send the quiz back. Then you can also, scrolling down some more, you can have the respondents see the missed questions, the correct answers, and the point values for each question. So we'll leave all that on. We'll make sure that it's immediately after submission, and then we'll click Save. And now we'll go to question 1. So we'll say, what is 2 plus 2? And your options will go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We'll add all of them. And now we'll make the question required. We'll go into the answer key down at the bottom, and we need to select the correct answer. So 2 plus 2 is 4. So that is our correct answer. And the point value, let's give this one 3 points. Done. Now let's add a new question. And we'll say find x. And we'll go 2x minus 5 equals 15. All right, and so that is going to be a multiple choice question. And my options, let's give them the option of 15. Let's go 10. We'll do 20 and 5. Let's require that question. Let's go to the answer key. So 2x minus 5 equals 15. That's 2x equals 20. 2 divided by 20 is 10. So there's my correct answer. Yes, I can do basic algebra. And we'll give this 10 points. Click Done. And then we'll do one more question. And let's say, let's say, what is the third planet from the sun? And we'll go to multiple choice again. We'll go suggested answer is Earth, and then we'll go Mars. Let's put in Jupiter, and then Venus. Okay. And so now, answer key. Correct answer is Earth. We'll give this one 2 points. And done. We'll require it. Okay, now let's make sure everything is copacetic for the quiz. Let's go back to settings. And in general, if you want to collect email responses, which I would, that's a great way to know who actually did the quiz without having them put their name as one of the questions. So let's collect emails. In my presentation, let's shuffle. And then quiz. We made it a quiz. The release immediately after submission. Let's click save. So now my quiz is ready to go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again real soon.